Hello, in this video we'll be talking about how to add a new form within the Clever editor. The first step in creating a new form is to launch the editor from any form you have access to edit. You know you have access to edit a given form when you see the pencil icon in the top left menu bar. We have here one of our editor training forms. To launch the Clever editor, click the Edit Page icon. Within the editor, to open a blank form, click the New Layout button. The first step is to click the icon with a P to open the page properties. This is where we enter a title for our new form under Assign or Modify Initiatives. Enter the title into the description box and click Save. You can now close the page properties by clicking on the green pin icon and sliding your mouse pointer over to the right. Next, it's important to verify that the default attributes are set and that default access rights are added. Start by clicking the background of the form. When the background of the form is selected, we see that the default attribute of page type and positioner have already been added. The next step is to add additional default access rights to the form. Keep in mind that whatever default rights are applied when the form is first created will be automatically added when tabs are added to the form. To apply access rights, open the Apply Rights section of the Options accordion. The default right added to the form is for the role of Clever Admin, which has full access and editor access. More in-depth information about roles and rights will be covered in another video. To add a right for a role, first click the plus sign. The role drop-down lists all the roles currently available. However, you can request that new roles get created whenever necessary. In our form, the superuser role was automatically selected as it's the most common, but you can select any role you want from the drop-down. Next, select the rights from the Access Level drop-down. Superuser is normally given full access. After adding all the roles and rights, by following this procedure, the last step is to click the Apply button. A confirmation will be displayed in the top left, letting you know that the rights have been applied successfully. We'll start building the form now. Note that it is best to have a common layout to ensure a good user experience when filling out the form. The first item is the Return to Listing link. This can be found in the Custom Types section of the Options accordion and is called Links Return to Listing. Next, place the student ribbon, also found in the Custom Types and is called Common Student Information Ribbon. Below the student ribbon, we add the form's title, which is the description entered into the page properties. Use the custom type called Heading Title Auto. Note that the title will not automatically update until after the form is published and a record is added. We're going to go ahead and publish a form now by clicking the Publish button. After publishing, we are sent back to the home screen. Select the new form from the drop-down list and add a student. If you open the student record, you can launch the editor again and continue building your new form.